Yeah, it's okay. So now, today, we are gonna do my makeup together. Like, not like together, but I'm just gonna talk and put my makeup at the same
Then I'm going to do a cry makeup,
time.
which is like you look like yeah, it's a trend right now on TikTok. But it'll make you feel like amazing. Recently there was an earthquake in Jakarta. Oh really? I hope you're safe.
Yeah. This is not a makeup tutorial, guys. This is just me putting my makeup. Because, after 2 hours, my class is cancelled, but it's okay still. I have class, so me putting my makeup for my class. This is not a makeup tutorial.
When we pull up your nose and shadow. How do you do that? Or is it on there?
Tutorial hijab.
Okay.
No! I mean, you can't. I mean, this is. Amal knows. Amal knows how to do it. Amal, show them. I can't show mine.
What?
Our hijab tutorial.
Easy peasy.
You're just gonna
Just,
put them
you
in.
know, put your hijab like that, and then, you know, from here.
That's it.
It's not a tutorial. It's a shame to call him tutorial because it's not a tutorial.
It's a shame to call it tutorial.
Where are you going? Already makeup? I'm going, of course, to my university after I don't know how many hours. How they do that cry makeup?
I don't know. I've never seen it before. You told me. Are you crying, Tuba? No, of course I'm not crying. What do you mean? Makeup tutorial for you guys. We have like a pin in here. I mean, not in here. You're just gonna make it longer and pin. I mean, if you wanna, cover your neck, pin like a magnet. Pin from here. So you're gonna have like this long, like in the middle, like in here, and then you're